In this video, I'll show you how to install mods in GTA 5 Enhanced on PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so one of the biggest reasons people keep coming back to GTA 5 on PC is the incredible modding community. Whether you want better graphics, realistic vehicles, gameplay improvements, custom maps, or powerful trainers like menu, mods let you customize the game far beyond what the vanilla experience offers. So if you've modded GTA 5 Legacy before, you'll quickly notice that installing mods in GTA 5 Enhanced isn't exactly the same. The good news is that once you understand how these different installation methods work, installing most GTA 5 Enhanced mods becomes surprisingly straightforward. So in this video, I'll show you how to install Menu Trainer, which is a must install mods for GTA 5 Enhanced. I will also show you how to install a graphics mod, which is Visual V. And at the end, we're going to install a vehicle mods as well. But before we start installing, keep in mind that mods are designed for GTA 5 offline. Please do not use gameplay mods while playing GTA Online, since these mods modify your game file. Using them online is too risky and you can get your account banned. With that being said, if you want to play GTA 5 with mods, you need to disable the anti-cheat. So to do that, on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to settings and then you need to uncheck BitAli, which is the anti-cheat of GTA Online. Now you cannot go to GTA Online and risk getting banned. Alright, to start, let's download and install Menu 2.0. This is personally the best trainer in GTA 5. You can spawn vehicles, change your character model, teleport around the map, control the weather and time, and much more. Now to download it, you can go to gta5mods.com. I'll put the link in the description. So once you're here, you want to download the latest update. Currently it's 2.31. Just hit download and hit download again. Save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Alright, to make sure Menu Trainer works properly, you'll also need Scribble V. Also put the link in the description, so just click on that, and once you're here, you want to click download here and save it on your PC as well. One more thing you need is Direct Storage Fix. This is to avoid any crashes when you use the trainer, so you need to download this as well. Alright, after you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder, and now you'll have the Menu Trainer, Scribble V, and also Direct Storage Fix. All of them in a zip file. Now to start installing, you'll also need your GTA 5 Enhanced directory. If you don't know where, you can go to these paths on the screen, which is the default location of GTA 5 Enhanced. So if you install your game in a default location, you'll find it there. But if you still cannot find it, you can locate it through your launcher. So on Epic Games, what you can do is go to Library and then look for your GTA 5 Enhanced. Click the three dots on the right, Manage, and then click the folder icon to open the install location. On Steam, you can do the same. Go to Library and then look for your GTA 5 Enhanced. Right click on it, Manage, and hit Browse Local Files. Once you got everything ready, let's start installing. So to open up the zip file, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can just right click on the zip file and then hit Extract All. Hit extract once again and you'll have it in a folder. Let's start with Scribble V. You want to go to the Vin folder, and here what you need is X input, Scribble V, and the input 8. So select these three and you need to put it into your GTA 5 Enhanced main directory. You can just drag and drop it just like that. Scribble V is installed. Now let's go back and do the same for Direct Storage Fix. Right click, hit extract all, hit extract again, open up the folder, and here what you need is Direct Storage Fix.asi. You're gonna put it into GTA 5 Enhanced directory as well. So just drag and drop it and Direct Storage Fix is installed. Now we're gonna install menu. Just like before, extract it first, and then let's open up the folder, and here what you need is menu stuff folder and menu.asi. So select these two and drag and drop it into your main directory. Now we're done installing the trainer. Alright, now we got Menu Trainer installed. Let's go ahead and install a graphics mod. So the one that we're gonna install is Visual V. This is personally one of the best in my opinion because it doesn't change the game vibes too much. Now to download it, you can go to gta5mods.com or just click the link in the description. And once you're here, you're not gonna download it from this big download icon. Instead, you wanna scroll down and go to all versions, and you're gonna download the enhanced version. So just click download over here, hit download again, and the download will start. Alright, to install Visual V, we're gonna use OpenIV. You can go to OpenIV.com, and once you're here, just hit download now and save it on your PC. One more thing we need is the Enhanced. This is OpenIV support for GTA 5 Enhanced because currently OpenIV is not compatible with GTA 5 Enhanced, and the Enhanced can help with that. So we just hit download and then hit download again. After you finish downloading, you'll have Visual V, OpenIV setup, and also Z Enhanced. Now to start, we're gonna install OpenIV because we're gonna do a manual installation. Just double click on the exe file. It'll open up the setup, select English and hit continue. You can read through the license agreement, check accept if you do, and hit continue. Here you don't need to change the installation path. Click continue again, and then it'll ask you to download some necessary files. Just hit continue and wait for it to finish downloading and installing. After the installation is complete, you can close the setup and open up OpenIV. The first time you launch it, you'll see this. just select GTA 5 Windows, and then you'll need to locate your GTA 5 Enhanced directory. But because OpenIV only detects GTA 5.exe, and what we have on GTA 5 Enhanced is GTA 5 Enhanced.exe, if we click Browse and then go to GTA 5 installation folder, it will say this folder doesn't contain GTA 5.exe file. Now to fix that, we're gonna use the Enhanced. So let's extract the zip file first. Right click, hit Extract All. Seems like there's a problem with the extract archive. Let's hit Finish and let's open it up with WinRAR. If you don't have it, you can just download it for free. You can right click and then open with and select WinRAR. Inside the zip file, just open up the zenhanced.exe file and it will open up this menu. So first you need to select your game folder, click that, locate your GTA 5 install location, and then just click OpenIV Fix, just like that. It'll say OpenIV Fix completed successfully, and what it does is just installing OpenRPF, and then go on with OpenIV Files, click that, click OK again, and lastly click Enhance Files. And there we go. Now if we go back to OpenIV and hit Browse, hit Select Folder again, it will detect GTA 5.exe. So now we have GTA 5.exe in our GTA 5 Enhanced directory. You'll need this for now, but when you launch it, you need to delete this. For now, we will let it be. Just hit continue. Alright, we're in OpenIV now, and the first thing you need to do is to enable edit mode on the top right. Just click edit mode and then hit yes. If you see this message over here, you don't need to do anything because we already have OpenRPF installed. Now we can start installing Visual V. Just like before, we need to extract this first. Right click, hit extract all, and hit extract. Let's open up the folder. Inside it, you'll have manual installation folder, optionals, and original files. There's also a readme file if you want to read it, but here I'll explain it to you how to install it. So you want to go to the manual installation, open up the mods folder, update RPF, and here you'll have two folders, which is common and x64. This is what we're going to put into our GTA 5 Enhanced directory. So if we go back, I already created a mods folder here, but if you don't have it, you can just create a new folder. Actually, I'll just show it for you. I'll just delete this mods folder. What you can do is right click and then new, create a new folder, and just name it mods, just like that. Now just open up the mods folder and you need to create a new folder and name it update, just like that. Now we're done. Now you can go back to the main directory, and in your GTA 5 main directory, look for a folder called update, open it up, and here what you need is update.rpf. You're gonna copy this, right click, hit copy, then we go back to the mods folder we just created and update and paste it here. Alright, now we have a mods folder, and let's go back to OpenIV and install Visual V. So we need to go to the mods folder and then update, open up the update RPF, and then we can just drag and drop these two folders from Visual V onto OpenIV. Just like that, and that's done. Visual V is installed. But if you want to install the optionals folder, for example, remove grass dithering, you can just read the installation.txt. I think it's gonna be the same way. So you need to put it to the mods folder and then x64 and DLC packs. But I think this video will be too long if I showed you how to install all of the optionals. So just read the readme files and you're good to go. Alright, we're done installing Visual V, and now I will show you how to install a vehicle mods. What I'm gonna install is 2025 Ferrari F80, but if you want to install another car, you can do it. Just make sure it says Enhanced in the title so that it's compatible for GTA 5 Enhanced. Now to find the vehicle mods, you can also go to gta5mods.com and then go to the vehicle tab. Right here, as you can see, you have so many options, but make sure it's available for GTA 5 Enhanced. Alright, let's download this car mod. Just hit download and then hit download again. Save it on your PC and it'll start downloading. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder again, and now you'll have the vehicle mods, your GTA 5 directory, and also OpenIV still open. Now just like before, we need to extract this first. Right click, hit extract, and then hit extract again. Let's open up the folder, go to the enhanced folder, and inside it you'll have the vehicle files. Usually there's a readme to install it, but for this mod particularly, it doesn't have that. Actually, it's here in the description, so you can follow the instruction from the page. So for this vehicle mods, you need to install it inside the mods folder, and then update and x64. That means we need to copy the x64 and DLC packs into our mods folder. Let's go ahead and do that. Go to your GTA 5 Enhanced main directory, open up the mods folder, and then update. Here you need to create a folder and name it x64, just like that. Let's open it up and create a new folder again and name it DLC packs. And that's done. Now let's go back to OpenIV. Let's open up the path, mods, update, x64, DLC packs. I'm gonna put the vehicle files inside this folder. So just drag and drop it, just like that, and that's done. Next, we need to add the vehicle into the DLC list. So for DLC list, you can go back to mods and then go to update, update RPF, common, and then data. Here, look for an XML file called DLC list. So it's gonna be this one. You need to right click on it and then select edit, scroll down to the very bottom, copy the last line, right click, hit copy, and then press enter. And then you're gonna right click again, hit paste. Now you need to change this into the name of your vehicle files. So I'll just copy the name of the folder and then I'm gonna paste it here, just like that. Now it will look like this. Hit save and we're good to go. Everything is installed. Alright, if you don't have problems with storage, what you can actually do for the mods folder is copy the entire update folder. So what we did is create it ourselves. And if you need to install to a different path of the update folder, you'll need to create a new folder to match that path. Now, if you copy the entire update folder, you'll have the x64, update RPF, and update 2. But of course, it'll take up space. GTA 5 Enhanced is already big enough. But anyways, everything is installed. I'll launch the game and see what we got. Once you load into the game, you'll notice the improvements on the graphics thanks to Visual V that we just installed. And also, now you can press F8 on your keyboard to open up menu trainer. And here, there's a bunch of things you can do. There's player options. You can change wardrobe. You can set animations. You can even make your character invincible. If we go back, you can also change the weather and also the time of the day. Let's check if it works. There we go, as you can see. And now let's spawn up the vehicles that we just installed. Now to do that, you need to go to vehicle options and then vehicle spawner. And here you need to scroll down to the bottom and select input model because what we installed is an add-on. And here you need to type the exact name. The vehicle that I installed is going to be 25F80. Now, if I press enter, as you can see, it'll spawn the vehicle. That means we have successfully installed the car as well. So that'd be it for this video. If you have any problems, make sure you do everything correctly. And also, if there is a README files, be sure to check it out. Because for example, vehicle mods can be different a little bit. And usually there is a README file that you can read. So that'd be it for this video. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.